Jennifer was like,
see, it says
never
record
said
right
anything
here.
about a headache.
Give me a tight end. Captain, give me a tight end.
Go Tanner, go Tanner! Go Tanner! Go Tanner, go!
Hey, don't huddle up 20 yards back.
Well, JD, go JD! There you go.
It's out of bounds over here, doesn't it?
Cover, guys, cover! Cover, cover, cover!
Good.
Get him, guys! Hit him, somebody!
The ball. Hey, where's the backfield?
Watch the pass, guys, watch the pass! Go get him, guys! There you go! Come on, here you go! Good job! There you go.
Out of the way. We're too close to the field here, okay? Back up, back up!
Come on, get him, guys! There you go! Good job!
Good job.
Go get him, guys! There you go! Hey, come on, tackle him! There you go. Get him, guys! Come up and tackle, guys! Tackle! Quit grabbing, guys! You're grabbing! Come on, let's hit him! Get him, guys! There you go, JD! Way to go, buddy! Nice job! Sweep! Come get him, guys! Come on, guys! Come on, come on, guys! Come on! Oh, come on! Here it goes! Come on, tackle him, guys! Come on, guys! Come on, guys! Good job!
Taking the house.
There you go, block for him. Andrew, find somebody to hit. There you go, there you go. Hold on the ball. You got it back, you got it back.
Tanner left. If we can stop somebody.
Get the ball. Good move, Tanner. Good move. There you go. Get down there, guys. Run. Break down and tackle him. Let's go. Go get him! Go get him! You know what's coming, guys! There you go.
Come on, let's go!
Nice run.
Get ready!
Going right, guys, going right! I can't.
Yeah, I couldn't really see, so I was just kind of guessing.
I did
hear
I'm
him
getting a
working.
lot of cinematic effects, but I really don't want to get one.
All right, come on, Michael.
Get wider, guys! Go get him! He's running right past you! There he goes, come on! Hold the line! There you go! There you go! Good job, bud!
Hey!
Combination tackle.
Dang.
Run by Michael Ray.
Get him! Get the ball! Get the ball! Yeah! All right, let's go, O's. Let's put it together now. Go, Carter, go! Go, Carter, don't stop! Keep your feet moving!
That's the ball! All out. Hey, you need a tight end? Good, get the outside guy.
Go, Mark, go, Mark! Go, Mark, keep your feet moving, baby! That boy! Good run!
Go, go!
Mark,